everyone, today we will discuss about metacarpal bone. So first of all, we will talk about its position. In human anatomy, the metacarpal bones or metacarpus form the intermediate part of the skeletal hand located between the phalanges of the fingers and the carpal bones of the wrist, which forms the connection to the forearm. The metacarpal bones are analogous to the metatarsal bone in the foot. Now we will move to its structure. Each metacarpal bone consists of a shaft, distal head and a wide proximal base. This is the proximal end of the metacarpal, this is the shaft, and this is the distal end of the metacarpal. The metacarpal bone articulate with the carpal bones with the proximal end, and with their distal end they articulate with the phalanges. They are labeled with number 1 to 5 going in the radioulnar direction. The first metacarpal articulate with the trapezium and the second metacarpal articulate with the trapezium, trapezoid and capitate, and the third metacarpal articulate with the capitate, and the fourth and fifth metacarpal articulate with the hamate. Now we will move to its function. Metacarpals form a longitudinal arc that accommodates the muscles, tendons and nerves of the palm. The metacarpal also form a transverse arc that allows the fingertips and thumb to be brought together for manipulation.